Hello guys, this is the Rohit and welcome back with this video. Through my videos, you will get how to practice daily for if you want to gain fluency in English, because I am also a beginner, but you know what, without practice you can't. How much you can watch video, how much you can reading, how much you are listening all day long, even whatever you can do, you can't be fluent without speaking. This is the only reason I take challenge for 6 months to gain fluency. From now to 6 months, if I am able to convey my message, convey my ideas to you without fumble, without getting stuck, this is sufficient for me. This will be sufficient for me, so this is the whole purpose of mine to. This is my first video and I will upload daily. I will upload daily while I'm practicing, while I am going to practice. You know what? I am not going to cut this video, trim this video, edit this video. This is my full fledged. This is my natural, what, tone, accent, and you can see where I am, getting stuck, and in my mind words don't come. My tongue is not used to most of the words. That is why the words don't come on my tongue whenever I try to speak English. So you know what, my mother tongue is Hindi, but when this is the only reason I am not so you know I understand English because of from the what, schooling, college. I learn English, but not speaking, only reading, listening, reading, listening, reading, listening. This is all you are doing right now, or you going to be, what, are you understand what I'm saying? I am not, what, I don't understand how to express my thought, but I am trying to express. So this is the challenge for me, and you can support me to this challenge. This is my first video. I will upload daily one video for practice. I will practice daily about 10 to 20 minutes only. I will speak 10 to 20 minutes daily on my camera. Because of this will be my, what, in future I will watch my video. I would watch my video in future. So what, I think I will think कि this much, how, what, how much I am dumb, this kind of fluency I had. So that is why this is the only reason, and there are so many reasons. This is why I am try to improve my fluency, try to speak in English. You know what, I am not now, if I talk about now I am not able to express my ideas in English. Now I am not convey my ideas. I am not express my thoughts in English only, and I am not able to communicate with others. You know what? This is my what, soul thoughts I am talking to you. But if what, I am not express. How can I say to you? Ki if someone come to me and say to me anything in English, how can I respond to him in English? You know what? I don't know what will be the question, but what? I am not able to. You know what? So I am sitting on the path. You know what? This is the path that is connected to the fields. If you want to cultivate your fields, you need a path. So this is the path for the purpose to cultivate the fields. You can see there, this is the, what, these are the trees. and trees in the field, and this side also a field and crop also in the field. This is the crop also. And if I show you, and you can see the crop over there, and this is the tree. In Hindi we can say this is the tree of what plant. Oh, sorry, this is the tree of people. I don't know what to say in English, how to say for the tree of people in English. If you know, comment, let me in the comment box. And this is, what this spade is, what in Hindi we can say, we say this is the tree, this is the plant of, if you if you see a plant in a, what size matters. If you see the big size of a plant, you can say this is the tree. And if you see the small size of a plant, this you can say plant, you see. And that's why I use the word plant. This is the plant of, what bhang. We say in my place bhang. This is the tree of bhang. Bhang used for, what drug in English, I can say. So this is the, this pad used for drug. Okay. And now you can see I am in my place right now. I usually live in Delhi because of I am an advocate. I am practicing in Delhi. So it's a vacation. It's a summer vacation running now. So that's why I am in my place. And you can see there, this is the field, and these are the trees over here, all along here, and you can see there. And now you can see the tractor and trolley, you can see there. And now this is the way, this is the path, you can go through it to the main road. And if you want to go to your field, use this path to go to your field to cultivate. If you cultivate your field, if you want to cultivate your field, so you need a tractor and a harrow to cultivate your field. This is why the path made for the cultivate and go to the field. you know I guess you are understanding. And I am walking. This is my slipper, this is my knicker, we can say. This is my short. Okay. And now this is the tree, this is the tree, this is the trunk of a tree. This is a trunk. Okay, we can see this is the trunk, and these are the branch, these are the branches. Okay, this is the trunk, this is the sole trunk of the tree, and these are the branches, and small branches over there you can see. And this is the leaf, and these are the leaves in a green color, you can see there all over the tree. Leaves, thousands of leaves over one tree, one of this tree, you can see there. If I talk to you now, you can see this on the path. On this path you can see the little plants over there. We say to it, these plants are the grass. These use for grass purpose. This, and this is the food of buffaloes, cows. And if it's get bigger, we cut for the buffaloes, because of we use for the purpose of food for cows, buffaloes, and we can say pets, from which we can get milk. Okay. And now you can see the plants over there. These are the plants of bhang, in Hindi we can say, through which we use this. And if we like this These leaves used for drug purpose. Okay, and you can see the trees over there. These are many trees here, and this is the trees. I don't know, in Hindi we says this is the tree of neem. This is the tree of neem, but I don't know what to say in English. How to say in English? This is the tree of neem. How to say? If you know the name of this tree, let me know in the comment box. I will improve. This is, you know what? My aim is to making video. My aim is for making video is